How about enjoying your two favorite cake together, your sorrel cake and your carrot cake? Oh my goodness, this cake came out so delicious, so moisty. Come over to my kitchen to learn how to make this delicious cake. This is about 2 cups of sorrel that has been soaking for a few days in some rum and wine. There we add 12 allspice, and this is 6 cloves we are going to add. We are going to blend this until we have a nice puree just like this. We don't want too much liquid at this moment. So here I'm adding 2 cups of sugar, and to this I am going to add half cup of wine and half cup of rum. We are going to give this a nice stir. Look how lovely it is looking. Then we are going to add 1 cup of crushed walnuts. And we are going to continue to mix. Oh my goodness. People, I'm telling you, this sorrel puree rum mixture right here is the bomb. Once everything is nicely mixed, we are going to allow it to simmer on low heat. And we want to check back several times to make sure nothing is not burning or it is not sticking. So we are going to allow the liquid to evaporate. Once the liquid has evaporated, we can turn the stove off, allow it to cool, and then we are going to add back about 1/4 cup of rum. Right here, all the liquid is evaporate. So now our sorrel puree is ready to cool down. Then we are going to add about 1/4 cup of rum. This is to give it extra rummy flavor. So now on to our carrot cake. For this you will need 2 cups of oil. It is preferred to use oil to make your carrot cake. This helps to give it a moist texture. So to this we are going to add 1.5 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of orange zest. And we are going to mix everything well. For the dry ingredients, you will need 3 cups of flour. We are going to save the flour so we can have a lighter flour to work with. And here we have cinnamon, we have nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. we are going to give everything a nice mix. And then we are going to add it to our mixture. You can add it in 2 or 3 portions and mix it away. Once we have our nice batter, it is time to add our carrot, grated carrot. So here, this is 2 cups of finely grated carrot, and we have 1 cup of shredded. So if you want the same here on the grater, there is where I shred the large chunk pieces, and there I grate the fine. The reason is I want to see some chunkiness in my carrot cake. So I shred some large amount, and the refined one is to saturate and give the cake a nice orange color. And there I had 1 cup of shredded coconut. Oh my goodness, you don't want to bake your carrot cake without any coconut. This gonna make your carrot cake taste so delicious. So we are going to continue to mix until everything is blended well. Once everything is blended, we are going to add the batter to a pan or a dish that is well buttered. So we want to add about no more than 2 inches because we are going to make 2 sides. We need 2 small cake. You notice how low it is in the pan? Just a small amount. And this is 40 minutes later. This is our carrot cake. This is one of the carrot cake. We're going to use 2. So it is time to decorate our cake. Look at this. This is where the fun begins. Wow. So we're going to make sure on top is nicely coated. And then we are going to place the other one on top, and we are going to continue to coat right around the cake and right on top until we have a beautiful cake. Looking just like this. Oh my goodness. How much would you pay for a cake like this? Well, if you learn to make it, you won't have to pay anything. Look how marvelous this cake look. Look at those walnuts. Those little red spots you seen right there, that's the walnuts popping in this lovely cake. I could look at this cake all day. Yummy. So now it is time to test. We want to see how inside look. I'm very curious. I want to see if both color match. I am waiting and waiting and waiting. So here we go, guys. Wow. Wow. I love this combination. Oh my goodness, look at that, people. Isn't that lovely? Wow. I love how this cake came out. Beautiful. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new and delicious recipes. And a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm waiting to see you drop your comments below and let me know how did yours came out. Look at those shredded coconut popping. Look at the carrot popping. Look at the sorrel. Oh my goodness, the combination of the sorrel and the carrot cake, moisty, rummy, nutsy. I dare you to try this cake. Anyway, guys, enjoy. Bye. Don't forget to like and share this video also. Thank you in advance.